Grandfather, I dreamt I went on a journey to a land at the edge of the world.
land at the edge of the world.
With my loyal crew, we explored an ancient land with mysterious structures.
We called this land Messinia.
By the name
Costa Navarino. Although we were strangers, the land was kind to us. We called it Philipsini.
Hospitality.
And the days flowed past us like a river.
We knew the gods watched over us. I could see that this land had been protected, loved, so that it would live on for 1,000 years.
For 1,000 years. And when I woke
And when I awoke, Grandfather,
I knew that I had finally made it home.